Okay, first of all, just looking through the pack. OMG, Gina. Okay, so she's out of the bag. And I'm going to tell you, Shein is up there with those major companies. Look at this. Oh my God. Look, I don't even want to wet it and mess it up. But since I got so many black wigs, I got to put some color on it. But this baby is gorgeous. So as you can see, this is a 6x4. There's only lace in the top, going back 6 inches, and the rest is a band. It comes with an elastic band, your standard combs, one on each side, one in the back, one in the front. And you know, I am a part of the little bitty head committee, so even though this looks small, I gotta make it smaller. But check this out. Look at the cutting. They use one of those new lace front scissors. Ooh, I gotta get me some of them. Oh yeah, this is bomb. Super bomb. So I'm going to start by putting the hair in a ponytail straight to the back. I have my my BW2 bleach here, my 40 weight formula. I'm going to mix this up. I'm not measuring it. I'm just putting a lot of the bleach in here because what I'm going to do is after I mix it, I'm going to pour the bleach into a cup, then dip the ponytail part into the cup so that only the ends of the hair is dyed. So now I'm getting ready to dip the ponytail part inside of the bleach mixture and leave it until it gets to my desired color. Just like when you do a bleach wash, the longer you leave it in, the more brighter their hair will become. In this case, this hair is like super dark, so I know I probably need to do this about 2 times. So now I'm just taking my hands and just working it through because as you can see, if you open the hair up in the middle, it might not have taken all the way. It might still be kind of dark. So you really want to kind of comb it through, dip it, massage it in, do whatever you need to do to make sure all of the hair gets saturated. And this is how she looks. Okay, so it's still pretty dark, so I'm going to just go ahead and put some directly on the hair. And then I'm going to also part the bangs and bleach those from the tip to the end. Almost the tip to the end. So I finished bleaching it, then I washed it, conditioned it, and I put a couple of crimps in it, and now she looks like this. Okay, so I just sized it. Look how little this head is. I am a part of the little bitty head committee. But let's see how this look though. So I just sized it, pull this back, just so I can see how it's gonna look.